Dear Pi pioneers, as a technologist with roots in Stanford's distributed systems world, I've always believed in building tech that empowers the masses, and Chengdiao shares that vision deeply. She's just delivered a powerhouse keynote at Token 2049 in Singapore titled Crypto's Future: From Liquidity to Utility, and I wanted to channel her insights here in my own words, blending her forward thinking ideas with the technical grit we've poured into Pi. It's exciting stuff. Pioneers, she's laying out the roadmap for how blockchain and AI can truly transform society. Let me break it down for you step by step, as if we're debugging a complex protocol together. First off, Chengdiao kicked things off by highlighting where crypto stands today. We've got incredible innovation in DeFi, but too much of it is stuck in a loop of speculation, liquidity games, and value extraction. Think about it, white papers turning into tokens overnight, NFTs flipping for quick gains, meme coins pumping and dumping. It's all about transferring wealth from one pocket to another without creating net new value. As engineers, we know that's not sustainable. It's like running a distributed system without fault tolerance. Chengdiao nailed it. Crypto needs to evolve from hype-driven liquidity to real-world utility. That's the pivot point for Web3's next era. She dove deep into the intersection of AI and blockchain, which is where things get really fascinating from a systems perspective. AI is advancing at warp speed, automating production and potentially making human labor less central to wealth creation. But if AI generates unprecedented riches, how do we distribute them fairly? Traditional models tie value to labor, but that's breaking down. Enter blockchain. It's the ultimate scalable, accessible, and auditable system for societal distribution and redistribution. Chengdiao envisioned blockchain as the backbone for equitable wealth flow in an AI-dominated world, preventing concentration in the hands of a few tech giants. It's like designing a consensus protocol, where every node, every human, gets a fair stake. Now, on the challenges, most DeFi today isn't building new value. It's extracting from existing pools. To fix this, Chengdiao outlined two paths forward, which align perfectly with what we've been engineering at Pi. Path 1, bringing existing production on-chain. This means tokenizing real-world assets, RWOs, stablecoins, and more. But to make it work, you need robust identity verification without sacrificing privacy. That's where Pi shines. We've built a native KYC solution that's verified 15 million out of our 60 million engaged users, covering every corner of the globe. It's not just compliant, it's a cryptographic primitive that enables secure, real-world integrations like DeFi services or cross-border payments. No more Sybil attacks derailing the network. Our social graph and trust circles ensure authenticity. Path 2 is even more ambitious, creating entirely new production natively on-chain. This isn't about migrating old systems, it's about birthing fresh economic activity in Web3. Pi's got a head start here with our massive active user base, hundreds of millions of downloads, but more importantly, 60 million pioneers deeply engaged. That's not bots or speculators, it's real people providing feedback, testing products, and driving iteration. Chengdiao emphasized how this community is the fuel for innovation, turning abstract ideas into tangible utilities. And tying it all to AI, there's a golden window right now as AI disrupts traditional apps. Why rebuild Web2 on-chain when we can leapfrog to AI native applications? Pi is positioning itself to launch these directly on our blockchain, capturing value from day one through DeFi tools. Our App Studio is key here, a low-code platform powered by AI that lets developers, even non-coders, whip up smart contracts. And UIC, describe your idea, and boom, it's deployable, connected to our ecosystem and ready for millions to use. It's like Rust for consensus meets JavaScript for accessibility, but with AI accelerating the build, deploy, iterate cycle. Chengdiao didn't shy away from the pitfalls either. Misaligned incentives in crypto lead to short-termism, people chasing airdrops and pumps instead of building lasting products. That's why Pi's approach is different. We've rolled out DeFi primitives on our testnet like DEX, AMS, and liquidity pools, but tied them to real utility. Millions of pioneers are experimenting, boosting financial literacy, while our community governance ensures incentives reward genuine contributions, not manipulation. In wrapping up, she called for a mindset shift from how to get rich quick to how to create impact. Utility and innovation are the keys to crypto sustainability, and Pi is leading that charge. With our Open Mainnet live since February 2025, we're not just talking theory, we're executing. Pioneers, this is our blueprint for mass adoption, blending AI's power with blockchain's fairness to build a digital economy for everyone. Chengdiao's words resonate because they're grounded in the same principles we've held since day one. Tech that serves real people, solves concrete problems, and scales globally. If you haven't watched the full talk, check it out. It's a masterclass in visionary engineering. Let's keep building, questioning, and pioneering together. Thank you.